Hello, this is Jake Dye, and today I'm going to show you how to turn projector slides like this guy right here into JPEGs using the Kodak Scanza. So what you're going to need is the Kodak Scanza, an SD card, the proper slide adapter, and just a whole bunch of slides. Stick it in the side, whoop, and it's going to look something like this. My SD card is going to go in the back right here. Nice little click so I know it's in good. Now let's get this guy plugged in. We're going to go to capture, and right now I don't have a slide loaded. So the way it's going to work is that your slides, like this, slide it in there. And now the way it works is the slides actually kind of push each other along, so I'm going to have to put in the next slide before I start seeing anything. So far, almost every slide I've worked with has actually been a negative, which means that it's not quite going to look right here in the viewfinder. So you can use the buttons here to go to color adjustment. I can select. I can go and adjust things like brightness. I can shift the red, green, or blue settings. I can reset back to basics. And once I feel good about it, and I actually feel good about this one right here without making any changes, hit select, and then I push the little camera button right down here. Because it's a negative, we're going to have to do some work on the image in Photoshop or another platform like that, so we're going to transfer the photo onto our computer. But of course, this is still a negative, so we're going to take this image and we're going to throw it into Photoshop. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and then Invert. And there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this guy as well. Let's do it 90 degrees clockwise. And there we have it. Not the best picture. A lot of shadows here. That tower looks a little washed out. But this is a photograph. I don't even know how old. That was a negative in a slide, and now we've got it as a JPEG. But I think it's pretty neat. You know, it's a little bit of preserving history. They certainly weren't pulling out the projector to look through all these old guys anymore. And now I'm able to turn them into a digital gallery that fits just on this little SD card, which is pretty neat.